Mexico. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. See? I am here at Falls Creek Falls winter hike with my friends. Tingnan niyo, guys. Yung water dumadaan na sa baba ng frozen frozen siya. Ayun yung sa taas, very frozen. Kakunti na lang bumababa. Wow! Look at that, guys. Look at that frozen over there. Oh, so pretty. Worth it. So worth it, guys, mag-hike dito.